understand it? Yes. What's your name?
My name is Lawile Harriet.
Lawile Harriet. How old are you?
5 years.
You are 5 years old. Which class are you? You are in primary two. So now we are about to learn some simple song. I say and you repeat. Have you heard? Pit pap,
Pit pap,
pit pap. Repeat.
pit pap,
Bounces,
bounces,
bounces.
bounces
Every day.
every day.
Pit
Playfully,
pap,
playfully.
bounces,
Bounces
playfully.
playfully.
Pit pap,
Pit pap,
bounces,
bounces
playfully.
playfully.
Bouncing
Bouncing
on the pillows
on the pillows
every day.
every day.
Pit pap,
Pit pap,
bounces,
bounces
playfully. Repeat.
pit pap,
Yes,
bounces
yes.
playfully.
This is another one. Bouncing on pillows every day.
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 Now we are going to do it at once. Pit pap bounces playfully.
Pit pap, bounces playfully.
Bouncing on pillows every day.
Bouncing on pillows every day.
Finish it.